Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to categorize expenses in QuickBooks Online. This process is really helpful whether you're managing a small business or just keeping track of your personal finances. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account. If you're new, you can set up an account, and if you've forgotten your password, use the recovery option to get back in. Once logged in, head over to the left-hand menu and click on Expenses. This section brings together all your financial transactions, including purchases and bills, so you can see everything in one place. Next, go to the Vendors tab. This is where you can manage all your suppliers and service providers, making it easy to track who you owe money to and who has already been paid. To make organizing even faster, use the filters at the top. You can sort by purchase orders, overdue items, open bills, or paid bills. This makes finding specific transactions much quicker. Now, click on an individual expense. From here, you can assign it to the right category, like office supplies, utilities, or any other business expense type. Proper categorization keeps your records accurate, improves your reports, and saves you time when tax season arrives. And that's it. By categorizing your expenses in QuickBooks Online, you'll have clearer financial insights and make smarter decisions for your business or personal budget.